So this is the first job opening that we have. There is around 12 openings, right? Which is in Abu Dhabi. Okay, they want a offensive security person, lead tester and pen testers. Six in Kochi as well, and Kochi office which is in Kerala, and six roles in UAE, right? So there is around 12 openings. 30 to 45 days is the joining notice period, right? And this is the position, right? If you want to apply, you can drop a mail to careers@cybershelter.com and just put reference at it Ilya's LinkedIn post, right? So just to next one is source code review. 1 year of experience is required. Okay, VAPT automation, source code review, all those knowledge is important. 1+ years of experience required. Pratham.pujari@matrixtrader.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Pen testers training, 0 to 1 years, right? So this is basically need no experience, right? Knowledge है बस कर सकते हो. Vulnerability assessment and all those things they need to do, and this is web listen pen testing knowledge, iOS pen testing, OWASP top 10, Bob suit, Nessus, Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, all those knowledge will be required. Mail ID is gautam.wiry@hackersera.com. Vikas Chaudhary ka, I guess. So just apply there. You can see in the bottom. Now next one is basically AppSec or Red Teamer. 1 to 3 years of experience are required on site in Mumbai. ID and at redfoxsec.com is the mail on which you drop your resume. Next one is Sarg Striker. They want a security analyst. Freshers can do, right? Gujarat based है. 0 to 3 years of experience required. Freshers experience जो भी है you can at hr@sargstriker.com is the mail. So that's all for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.